Hi everyone, this video will be my first lesson about drawings in AutoCAD program, which is this one. This is the shortcut for the AutoCAD. When you open the AutoCAD, it will be clear for you this window. When you open this window, you see the main display area which you will draw inside it. Here we have a lot of commands for drawings, dimensions, and everything. Here the main tool we have here, new, for new open display drawings. Here open for to open drawings you have already. Save, to save in the same name that you have it here. Save as, if you want to change the place where it will save and the name. Export, publish, and print. This will explain it in another lessons later. Here we have small shortcuts for all what we said about new, open, save, print. Also we have cut and paste, we have match properties, undo. We will do all and explain all these. We have here layers, because in AutoCAD where later you need to draw by layers. It will help you too much in the drawings. We have here also the color for each layer and the type of the line, and here the by millimeter, you see the thickness of the line. This later you will learn about it. The most important things that you have to learn about the main tools and commands in the AutoCAD, like this one. We will start with this. This will be line. Line, you can press this, or you can press L in the keyboard, enter. We choose line. Here you press in in the display area, like that. Just one press in the left of the mouse. Now you see that the line will move like that. If you want the line to be straight, you have to press shift. When you put shift, it will be directly straight. Okay, I will draw by centimeter. I will write 100. See, it will be clear in the space commands. Enter. Press enter just one. If you press enter twice, it will be cut this line. You can use space or enter. It's the same. Okay, now you can complete. I will write 200 like that. If you want to move like that, see this hand by the middle button in the mouse. Press, you see, you can move like that, or from here. This one. See, pan, real time. You can use it by the middle button, this roller and the roller in the mouse. It's very easy. Okay, I want to stop this. I press again, enter. See, if you press like that, you can from this one change. Press like that, you can change. These blue dots help you to change in the line very easy and directly. If you want to remove it, you make escape. Okay, these erase. If you want to erase what you draw. Now I want to draw this circle. If you read down the command bar, circle specify center points for the circle. When you go here, in the display area, you will, if you press, you will see that you start in the center point for the circle. Any number you will write, it will be the radius for the circle. We'll write 150. 150, this will be this move. If you want to move it, this one, just like that, remove move it where you want. Now the radius will be 150, but see, 150, it's written in the display area. The diameter will be 300. If you want to change, just press in this blue. See, it's very easy to change in the drawings that you have. No need to erase it. Just press in the blue buttons, then it will be changed. Okay, this move. You can press in it and move, or by the keyboard write just M. Enter, choose it, and it will be move. It's very easy. Right, again, I will repeat it again. M, select, then enter, or you can use the right button for the mouse. Then press in the left, you can move it. Here, this one is the copy. If you want to make a copy for any icon like that, copy. It will be multiple copies. If you want to stop, just press enter or space. It's the same. Here, the offset object. You can make offset. Read here. Offset specify offset distance. What the distance you want? Offset means that you will make another line parallel that the line that you draw. Like, I want this line to be offset another one 50 centimeter. I write 50, enter, then I press here, then see here. Or I want it to here. Press again here, then I want it to here. If I want to finish the command, press just the right button for the mouse, or this enter, or you can press enter from the keyboard. The same. This mirror. Mirror, what you mean? That you will make another object, but not in the same direction. It will be mirror, like this. Select, press the right button on the mouse, then I want to be mirror from this axis line like that. See? Press enter. This is the mirror. Okay, we have I will draw here again for the mirror. We have here rectangle. Rectangle is very easy to draw. Start here. See, you can draw it like that, or if you have dimensions for the rectangle, you have to write here. Specify other corner points for the rectangle. You have to write at. This at is very important. At, we will write the dimension for the we have 100. Then you have to make comma to go to the other line, be 50, then enter. This is our rectangle. It will be here, see, this 100 and this 50. Skip. We have here, this one is scale. What we can do with the scale? Scale will change for me the size. We have this. I don't want it like that. I want it to be bigger. I choose the one, select, then press here and this end point. See, it will be with scale. I want double. Just press 2, then enter. It will be now the double size. We don't need to erase, just make scale and make it double. Here we have this tool means stretch. If you want to stretch anything like that, press stretch, then I want this to be longer. Select, of course by the left button for the mouse, then enter, then like that. From any area, it's okay. Shift, I wanted to extend 50 centimeter like that. See, no need for erase, you can just make for it stretch. Okay, now we will make offset. This offset, I explain it. I need to make offset 20 centimeter like that. Okay, enter. I will explain now this, which is trim. What trim mean? That you want to make a cut in a drawing like that. I will draw here line, another line. Now I want to cut this area. I don't want to be complete. Press this trim, select all, right button for the mouse or enter, it's okay, and choose that one that you don't want it. See, it's now cut it. This one extend, it's the opposite for this trim. Right, choose the command of extend. I want these two lines to extend to here. Choose that one, press the right button, then we have to explode this before, or you can make it like this. It's easy. Escape. This about triangle or rectangle. We have this fillet. This fillet we will use it for like that. I don't want it to be sharp edge. I want it to be curved. I choose the fillet. Then here, if you read here, you need the radius for the fillet for this. I need the radius to be 20. Right, 20. Then I press for these two edges. It should be not together, it should be explode. You have to write explode. Now each line became separate. Then choose this. Radius will be 20. Should write R, then 20. Now it will be like curve. For this, to make it a good and perfect drawings, you have to use offset from here to here. See? Then here you don't want these two lines. You can make it like that, just move it, or you can use trim. If you use trim, it will be like that. We have also here dimension. This dimension, if you draw this and I want to be, I'm not sure for this dimension, I can use this line dimension, linear, from here to here. This is my dimension 20. This linear, this one for a line like that, not straight lines. And this one for radius. I want to see the radius for this circle. And here for the diameter for this circle. Here this one is to continue. If I have like that, here I make a distance from here to here 20. I want to continue. I use this tool. It will continue for me. I said from to here and here. Then I want to finish. I don't want to complete. Press enter or again enter or space. I said you can use all these space, enter, or the right button for the mouse. Same things they do. Okay, this will be my first lesson, and I hope that you satisfied from it. So please, if you have any comments or any ideas for me to be in the next lesson, please tell me in the comments. Thank you.